So, just to show you the process of design, this is the white card that Rachel designed, and then what she does is she makes something more appropriate, closer to where we're getting to. And now we're in our workshop, 10 days before we begin rehearsal, and this is what Matthew, our carpenter, has built in this design. So what's going to happen is this space here is going to have a double-sided mirror in it, and the way a double-sided mirror works is that on the front it just reflects what's in front of it, but the minute you light behind it, it becomes transparent. So these structures act as various different things. They act as buildings, as you can see. They look like that. When they're moved around, they're all on wheels. But then also they become the home of this scary character called Echo. Really central to the whole production is Lucy Rivers' music, and the main person to be playing her music is Lisa Jen, who is the front woman and brilliant actress of a band called Nine Bach. And she is our fertility wife. And in our story, the fertility wife is the good witch, but she's also the witch that curses the little baby in the story that you all know. So our concept for her is that she has this mobile piano/spindle, and all of the action that she leads, which is all about narration, talking to the audience, singing songs, takes place in her little home, which is this in miniature Rachel Canning designer version, and this is the beginning of the build of that structure. So if you can imagine, the piano will be here and she'll be playing it, and these different wheels will be here. For the moment of the curse, they all come alive, and there's a magic trick that'll be taking place upstage where the moment of the prick happens, and hopefully it will be frightening but amazing and dangerous.